I'm John Howarth MEP for South East England. Today I will be writing to the European Union High Representative for Foreign Affairs and the UK Foreign Secretary about disturbing new developments in the Indian administered state of Jammu and Kashmir. In a nutshell, the Indian government has effectively suspended the constitutional devolution provisions of the state. They've placed state leaders under house arrest, told visitors to leave, and dramatically increased Indian army deployment. These actions take the situation in a new and dangerous direction, further raising tensions between nuclear-armed regional powers. And what the region needs is de-escalation. The most significant thing that could happen now, immediately, is for international observers to be deployed and appropriately protected. If the government of India has nothing to hide, then they will agree to this. Because it's not about interfering in their internal affairs, it's about providing openness, reassurance, de-escalation and the protection of the human rights of Kashmiris.